Check all tool numbers before automatic tool setting. We can see that 5 tools are installed on the tool magazine number 2, 3, 4, 5 and the spindle. We can see in this area of the screen that the tool number on the spindle is number 11. Select MDI mode. Then select the MDI button in the menu bar. Input T11, enter T5, enter T for enter T3, enter T2. Automatic tool setting needs to be carried out in a right to left order. That is to say, the tool numbers are arranged in descending order. Click on Chord. Select Tool Setting Mode. Click Start. The machine is automatically setting tool number 11. Number 5. Number 4. Number 3. Number 2. Automatic tools setting completed.